How to add stickers to your videos and animate them in CapCut. So to get started, let's head over to our CapCut, and this is the part where we have to import our project. So we click on new project. Let's use this one for example. Click on add, and here it is. Now to work on your videos, look at this down place that says edit, audio, text, overlay, effects, captions, all those things. Now if you want to add stickers, there are so many stickers you can add. You click on the sticker icon and choose as many stickers, any kind of sticker that you want to use on your video. Let's use this one for example. It's already here. Now let's play. The sticker is right there. Now you might also want to add animation to this our sticker. We click on the sticker. Just always tap on that area the sticker is on. Tap on the sticker, click on animation. Let's say you want one that is bouncing. You use the bounce one, the bounce animation. Now let's play. If you want it to be on the loop, we come to this loop area. Let's choose this one for example, and let's go back and play the video. Of course, you've seen it.
Once again, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you will always get notified whenever I make new videos. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. I'll see you when I see you.